ready? It has begun natuRadio.
We are natuRadio.
We are Haruma University in Japan.
What is Japan like?
FSM is hot all year round, but Japan has 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. It's hotter than FSM in the summer and snows in winter. You can enjoy a variety of scenery all year round.
Wow, there are so many seasons. Do you have any favorite seasons?
Well, my recommendation is April and October, spring and fall. The cherry blossom bloom and the autumn leaves occur, so of course the scenery is beautiful and the climate is just right and it's easy to spend.
I like December and January. There are a lot of events, and when the snow falls, it feels special.
Really, me too. I really like winter because I like winter sports. I hope you will visit and enjoy Japan someday. What did you natuRadio come to do?
Well, it's good questions. We came to FSM to resolve the garbage problem.
I see. How long have you been FSM?
Actually, today is the 11th day in FSM.
Really, it seemed to be quite a long time. Where did you go?
I have been to World Heritage Site Namador and played there. Also, I have gone around the island, but my favorite place is Mangrove Bay Bar.
So cool. What did you eat?
I ate shrimp rolls. The taste was so nice.
You did a lot of things in FSM. Sounds fun. How about Riku?
Yeah, for me, I drank sakao. Actually, the hotel owner welcomed us with his family. Sakao was a little bitter for me, but I was satisfied because I could feel unique traditional culture.
Me too. I don't like Sakao, sorry. How long are you staying?
We'll be here until the 14th, so please say hi to us when you see us.
And also, we are planning to do radio broadcast on September 13th at 12 o'clock, so please listen to those too.
Actually, we have visited FSM many times, but this is the first time for us to broadcast radio.
And we decided on our radio channel name, which is natuRadio. We combine natuRadio, which is our group name, and radio.
Sounds so nice. Why did you guys want to do radio?
Well, we wanted everyone to know about natuRadio and to raise awareness of environmental issues.
Alright, we don't know about the environmental problems in detail yet, but we try to start using radio to support the problems.
So, what will you be talking about on radio in detail?
We will think about recurring problems and National Cleanup Day.
Anyway, but before talking about that, we want you to know about us too. So for this time, we will talk about what natuRadio does in FSM.
This is first time for me to broadcast radio, so I'm so nervous. How about you, Riku?
I'm so nervous. How about Linon? Are you nervous?
Of course I'm nervous, because being on the radio isn't an easy thing for us to do.
Actually, we have learned so many things about FSM to visit here.
Really? What did you research?
Well, for example, the FSM deposit system. If you take an empty can to a recycling center, you'll get money. There is no such convenient system in Japan, so it is groundbreaking. And I hope it will be adopted in Japan.
Wow, that's such a good system. What else did you research?
I also looked into the garbage problem. While thinking about what we can do to preserve beautiful scenery, I researched how to dispose.
You know a lot of things in FSM. You are looking into it a lot.
Also, recently, FSM has an athlete who played at the Paris Olympics.
Oh really? Who participated in the recent Olympics?
Swimmer Kestora Kilen and Tashi Limutiago and track and field Scott Jamfidi were in the field. Scott Jamfidi didn't win a medal, but he set the best record this season.
It's amazing to hear a season's best on the 10th stage of the Olympics. I was impressed.
Kestora Kilen is the youngest of the three to compete in the women's 50-meter freestyle. I want her to win a medal at the next Los Angeles Olympics.
There was another swimmer who competed, and Tashi Rimitago competed in the men's 100 meter. He was in the 4 qualifying groups, but he didn't make it to the final. I wanted him to do his best at the next Los Angeles Olympics.
By the way, actually, Japanese athletes were also participating in the swimming competition. Rikako Ike is a famous player in Japan, so she didn't make it to the finals in the individual events, but she was able to make it to the finals in the mixed relay.
It's amazing. I know her. She overcame so serious illness, and after that, she has started swimming again. I was so surprised about that. Tell me more about Japan. What food do you usually eat in Japan?
Just like Micronesia, rice is a staple food. There are many people who like fish as well as meat, and tuna is very popular.
Really? Now tell me about natuRadio. Why are you guys working for FSM?
Well, for me, I joined this group because I was interested in solving environmental problems and I want to protect the beautiful ocean here.
Oh, I didn't know her reasons, so it's so nice reasons. So for me, I joined this group because I also have interest about environmental problems, and also my hometown's atmosphere is similar to FSM. So I think I want to protect the beautiful sea and nature from garbage problems.
Really? So you guys are interested in environmental problems, right?
Yeah.
By the way, how many times have you guys come to the FSM?
Actually, our group has come to the FSM 5 times. We couldn't come here for a while due to COVID-19, but we started coming again from last summer.
Oh, so cool. What did you guys do last year?
Our main activity was environmental education in elementary schools. We also took social surveys and went to many places around Pompeii.
Sounds so nice. Are you guys gonna do environmental education this year too?
Yes, of course. We did environmental education at Nech Elementary School yesterday, and we will be doing that at Omine Elementary School tomorrow.
Really, you did a lot of things in FSM. That's great. What else will you guys be doing other than environmental education at elementary schools?
Well, we are taking social surveys regarding awareness on the littering problems of FSM and also visited specialized institutions to learn more about these countries and discuss what we can do here.
Sounds so nice. What kind of institution did you guys visit?
We visited the Department of Environmental Climate Change and Emergency Management, or DECEM, and we discussed environmental problems with the professional working for the FSM government.
And also we visited EPA 2 days ago, which is a lower branch of DECEM. In there, we understood deeply about the environmental problem of Pompeii.
Wow, it's so cool to talk to specialized people working for the government. So what else will you guys be doing here?
Oh, we will be engaging with students in COM. We are planning to conduct undokai and also cultural exchanges, sharing Japanese culture to the students there.
Undokai experience of Japan culture. What will you do?
We are planning that students in COM will wear the Japanese costume. It's yukata.
Oh, yukata! It seems so fun. Wow.
And also we are looking forward to engaging with many people here. And we visited many places such as Antlo.
Also, we will go on a sunset cruise tour today. So I'm looking forward to that because I can't experience the tour like eating on a boat while watching sunshine stars.
Actually, we went there last year. I can't forget the fabulous experience, so we will go there again. Anyway, okay, it's time to say goodbye to natuRadio show brought to you by natuRadio. will be appearing next on September 13th.
In our next broadcast, we will talk more about the garbage problem and share our experience about the National Clean-up Day we took part in. This event is on September 13th in the morning. We hope you will come.
We hope that the people around you will spread our radio. We are also on Facebook, so be sure to check it out.
Finally, thanks for listening till the end. This radio was sent by Natural Buzz Linon
Yasuko,
And Riku.
see you on the next radio.
Kalanga!